In a world built for giants, one scientist dares to dream small. Dr. Nano, leader of the Micro Research Division, gazes up at the ancient tools of discovery. Today begins the quest for the impossible, the creation of the fabled Crimson Cure. Outside the laboratory, the team begins their climb. The colossal crimson berry looms like a red mountain. With ropes, ladders, and courage, they ascend its gleaming surface to draw a single, perfect drop of its essence. The berry is too vast for mortal hands. A toy crane, reborn as a mighty lift, strains under the weight of their prize. Every chain clinks, every motion counts. One slip could end the mission. Inside the glass cuvette, the extraction begins. Tiny levers press with enormous force, and from within the crimson mass emerges the first glimmer of the cure. One single drop, worth a lifetime of effort. Before the mixing can begin, balance must be found. Upon a brass scale older than memory rests the key, a giant white tablet, heavy with potential. Dr. Nano watches, knowing precision means survival. Science at its heart is balance. Drop by glowing drop, the blue elixir fills its flask. The scales tip, tremble, then steady, a moment of perfect harmony. The blue elixir, vast, luminous, alive. The scientists climb the towering flask to measure its mysterious depths. Each rung of the ladder is a step closer to discovery. Carefully, the elixir is released. A torrent of blue rushes down the tubing, roaring like a storm in miniature. Every motion must be perfect. One misstep, and weeks of work would vanish. Crimson meets blue. A chemical ballet unfolds, violent, magnificent, alive. From chaos, color is born, a swirling magenta glowing with promise. One by one, the white shards fall. Each fragment dissolves, releasing energy and light. The beaker trembles. The reaction has begun. The crimson cure awakens. To know its truth, a crystal must grow. Dr. Nano introduces a single seed into the shimmering mix. Under the lens of their tiny scopes, the first blue crystal blooms, proof of progress. But science is never without danger. The heating chamber flickers wildly, the flame too strong, the glass too thin. Tiny hands race across valves and gauges, battling the chaos of creation. As the vapors rise, so too does their hope. Through the swirling glass, the team watches their mixture refine, drop by precious drop. Every hiss, every shimmer is a whisper of success. Then, disaster. A single slip, a shattered vial, and the crimson essence floods the floor. The lab falls silent, hearts sinking as the lifeblood of their work spreads like a red tide. But scientists do not surrender. With sponges and pipettes, they race against time, reclaiming every drop. Sweat, teamwork, and faith turn despair into determination. The recovered extract flows once more, purified through layer after layer of white filter paper. Patience becomes a virtue, as the dark crimson becomes clear, and hope returns. From liquid to solid, from chaos to perfection. The scientists carve and polish the final form, a single, flawless magenta pill. The culmination of countless nights and endless courage. Dr. Nano climbs the tower of books, peering through the ancient microscope. Under magnified light, the truth is revealed. The structure is stable. The formula, perfect. The cure is real. Cheers echo across the bench as the team gathers around their creation. Tiny hands lift glass beakers in triumph. At last, the impossible has been achieved. The crimson cure lives. The mission ends, but discovery never sleeps. Dr. Nano gazes across the workshop to a distant blue crystal glowing in shadow. Another mystery awaits. Another adventure begins.